What if one simple habit could quietly change your energy, your body, and even your mood in just 1 month? No gym membership, no crazy workouts, just something you already know how to do. Most people underestimate it, and that's exactly why it works. If you've ever felt stuck, tired, or unmotivated to exercise, this might be the reset your body has been waiting for. Hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm a certified fitness coach, and I help regular people build fitness routines that actually fit real life. Today, we're talking about what really happens when you walk 10,000 steps every single day for 30 days straight. Not the hype, not the extremes, but the real, honest changes your body and mind go through. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect physically and mentally, who this works best for, and how to do it safely, whether you're a beginner or already active. This is more education than workout, but I'll also coach you through how to approach it the smart way. No equipment needed, just comfortable shoes and a willingness to move a little more each day. Let's start with the first thing most people notice in the first week, and that's energy. It sounds backward, but moving more actually gives you more energy. In the beginning, your legs might feel tired, especially if you're coming from a mostly sitting lifestyle. But after a few days, many people notice they're less sluggish during the day and less stiff in the morning. Walking increases blood flow, gets oxygen moving through your body, and gently wakes up your muscles without stressing your joints. That's why walking feels sustainable compared to intense workouts. You're not shocking your system, you're reminding your body that movement is normal. Now let's talk about mood and mental health, because this change happens faster than most people expect. Daily walking has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and mild depressive feelings. When you walk consistently, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. You may notice you feel calmer after a walk, like your thoughts are clearer and your stress feels more manageable. This is especially powerful if you walk outdoors. Sunlight helps regulate your sleep cycle, and being outside reduces mental fatigue. Even a 10-minute walk break during a stressful day can reset your mindset. Over a full month, this adds up to feeling more emotionally balanced. By the end of week 1 or 2, sleep usually starts improving. Walking helps regulate your circadian rhythm, especially if some of those steps are done earlier in the day. Better sleep means better recovery, better focus, and better appetite control. Many people don't realize how connected sleep and movement really are until they experience it. Now let's talk about weight and fat loss, because this is what most people are curious about. Walking 10,000 steps a day burns calories, but it's not a magic fat loss button. On average, depending on your size and pace, 10,000 steps can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories a day. Over a month, that can make a noticeable difference, especially if your eating habits stay steady. Some people will see the scale go down, others won't see much change in weight, but their clothes fit better. That's because walking helps improve insulin sensitivity and encourages your body to use fat for fuel. It also reduces bloating and water retention for many people, which can make your waist feel tighter even if the scale doesn't change much. Another big change happens in your joints and muscles. Walking strengthens your calves, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core if your posture is good. Your joints start producing more synovial fluid, which helps them move more smoothly. This is why many people notice less knee stiffness and lower back discomfort after a few weeks. If you've dealt with joint pain before, this part matters. Walking is low impact, meaning it's gentle on your joints compared to running or jumping, so it makes a great option for beginners, people over 40, or anyone getting back into movement after a break. Let's talk about heart health, because this is a big long-term benefit. Walking 10,000 steps a day improves cardiovascular endurance. Your heart gets better at pumping blood efficiently, and your resting heart rate may slowly decrease. Over time, this can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, especially when combined with healthy eating. You might notice that everyday activities feel easier. Stairs don't leave you as winded, carrying groceries feels lighter. That's real-world fitness, and that matters more than being good at one machine in the gym. Now here's something many people don't expect. Walking daily often improves eating habits without forcing them. When you move more, you become more aware of how food makes you feel.
Many people naturally start craving more protein, fruits, and water because they want to feel good during their walks. This doesn't mean you suddenly eat perfectly. It means you make slightly better choices more often. Maybe you drink more water, maybe you snack less late at night. Over a month, these small changes stack up. Consistency is another huge change. Walking is simple, and that's its secret power. When something feels doable, you're more likely to stick with it. Walking builds the habit of daily movement without the intimidation of intense workouts. For many people, this becomes the gateway habit that leads to strength training, stretching, or other fitness routines. However, it's important to talk about what doesn't happen. Walking alone won't build significant muscle. It also won't automatically cancel out a highly processed diet. If weight loss or muscle tone is your main goal, walking works best when paired with basic strength training and enough protein from foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, Greek yogurt, or protein shakes if needed. Here's the most important part, and this is what changes everything. The biggest transformation from walking 10,000 steps a day isn't physical, it's mental. You stop seeing yourself as someone who tries to be healthy and start seeing yourself as someone who moves every day. That identity shift is powerful. You build trust with yourself. You show up even on low motivation days. And once that mindset clicks, staying active feels natural instead of forced. That's why walking works when so many other plans fail. So, after 30 days of walking 10,000 steps a day, here's what most people gain. More daily energy, better mood and sleep, stronger legs and healthier joints, improved heart health, possible fat loss and better body composition, and most importantly, consistency and confidence. This isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Walking reminds your body that movement is part of life, not a punishment. Whether you split your steps into short walks, park farther away, walk after meals, or take evening strolls, it all counts. Now I want to hear from you. Be honest in the comments. How many steps a day are you walking right now, and do you think you could commit to 10,000 for a month? Share your number below, and check out the next video on building a simple weekly fitness routine to go along with your walking habit.